Hello YouTube, G4 back with the final box break of the day. It's the 2012 Playbook. Open it up and show the packs. Watch my other ones, you know, I hadn't done too awful great. But, for me, it's not really about the monetary value. It's just the fun of breaking them, just opening, having something to do. And I think I may have a redemption in these too, like I did in that last one. Because you're not. I think you're supposed to have two books in these. If I can get this one out. There we go. So I got 3 thin ones, 1 fat one. Let's just save the 1 book for last. First. There we go. Autograph Sean Spence, number to 49. Second pack. Feels like a relic. Yep. Chris Collinsworth, number to 99. Yeah, this is the redemption. No, it ain't. It's autograph. Nnamdi Asamoah, number to 49. I guess you only get 1 book in here. I think you're supposed to get 2. It's of the Lions. Ryan Broyles. Ooh, number 3 of 5. Jersey patch auto. So, I mean, not the biggest name, but the number to 5. That's pretty nice. 4-color patch. So let me get a good shot at that. 3 of 5. Well, that's not too bad. Asamoah, number 44, 49. Chris Collinsworth to 99. And then Sean Spence, number to 9. It's 49. So that's everything. I had everything that you seen would be available for sale, trade, if anybody's interested. I thought I'm trying to get more into the non-sport cards, like saw in the first video, the Charm, Big Bang Theory, Smallville, stuff. I've been getting a lot more into them. But that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully I can get back into the TTMs if they ever come in. Because these long lulls like this ain't fun. But I guess it hits everybody. I know a lot of you others are going through the same thing. But hopefully things will turn around. And that comes to an end of the video. Hope everybody else has a good mail day today. And I hope you have a good rest of the week. Hopefully I'll talk to you again a little bit later. With that, stay strong and stay stout. We are Autograph Strong. Talk to you all later.